Welcome back to our channel, Adventure Seekers. Today, we have an exhilarating story to share with you. We're taking you on an incredible journey to the top of the world, Mount Everest. Join us as we explore the challenges, triumphs, and breathtaking beauty of scaling the highest peak on Earth. Let's get started. It all begins with meticulous preparation. Our team of experienced climbers has spent months training physically and mentally, gathering the necessary equipment, and acclimatizing to high-altitude conditions. Each step is crucial to ensure our safety and success. Now, let's meet our team. We've arrived at Everest Base Camp, situated at an altitude of 17,600 feet, 5,364 meters. This will serve as our home for several weeks as we acclimate and plan our ascent. Base Camp is a bustling community, full of climbers from around the world, all united by the same goal, reaching the summit. Our first major challenge is the Khumbu Icefall, a treacherous section of moving ice and towering seracs. This constantly shifting maze requires careful navigation and teamwork. Our experienced guides lead the way, securing ropes and ensuring our safety as we traverse this dangerous terrain. As we ascend higher, we establish a series of camps at strategic points along the route. These camps serve as rest stops, allowing our bodies to adapt to the thin air. Climbers spend days at each camp, gradually ascending and returning to lower altitudes to aid acclimatization. It's a slow and methodical process, necessary for our bodies to adjust to the extreme conditions. We have reached the death zone, the area above 26,000 feet, 7,900 meters, where the air becomes dangerously thin, and the human body struggles to function. Every step here requires immense effort. Oxygen levels are critically low, and the risk of altitude sickness and frostbite is at its highest. It's a race against time and nature. Finally, after weeks of preparation and countless challenges, we have reached the summit push. The weather conditions play a crucial role here, and we must seize the right opportunity. With determination and unwavering spirit, our team begins the final ascent, step by agonizing step. We've made it. We're standing on the roof of the world, the summit of Mount Everest. The feeling of accomplishment and awe is indescribable. The panoramic views of the Himalayas stretching out in all directions are simply breathtaking. This is the moment we've worked so hard for. As we descend from the summit, we reflect on the challenges, the sacrifices, and the unforgettable moments that have shaped this incredible journey. Scaling Mount Everest is not just a physical feat. It's a testament to the human spirit and the boundless possibilities of human achievement. And that concludes our unforgettable adventure to the top of Mount Everest. We hope you enjoyed coming along with us on this extraordinary journey. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep pushing your limits. This is Silverline Plus signing off.